ചെമ്പൂര് സെൻറ് ജോസഫ് സ്കൂളിൽ മെഗാ ശാസ്ത്രമേളയായ എക്സ്പോനോവ വെള്ളിയാഴ്ച നടക്കുകയാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരുക്കങ്ങളെല്ലാം പൂർത്തിയായി കഴിഞ്ഞു. വളരെ വിപുലമായ ഒരു ശാസ്ത്രമേളയാണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. കുട്ടികളെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് പഠിക്കാനുള്ള ഒട്ടേറെ കാര്യങ്ങളുണ്ട്. പ്രവേശനം സൗജന്യമാണ്. വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളും നാട്ടുകാരും ഈ സേവനം പരമാവധി പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തണമെന്നാണ് സ്കൂൾ അധികൃതർ പറയുന്നത്. ഒരു മികച്ച ശാസ്ത്ര പ്രദർശന മേളയാണ് ഇവിടെ നടക്കുന്നത്. വളരെ വിപുലമായൊരു മേള. അതിൻ്റെ ഒരുക്കങ്ങൾ അവസാന ഘട്ടത്തിലാണ്.
I'm Deepthi Nair. I'm working here as a teacher and currently I'm the coordinator of the science exhibition. So I want to tell you some of the specific areas and the thematic areas that our students are going to do in the science exhibition. So we are making the science exhibition a wonderful one by using the creativity and the innovations by our students. So we can see a wonderful features and the activities that the students have done in this exhibition. Our vision is to make the students to be very particular in the specific areas that they can be used in the future also. So we are just starting with the space exploration from the starting of our exhibition, and in each and every corner we can see the very informative and the innovative creations of our students. This exhibition we are having a proud moment. We are having a senior scientist of ISRO, Mr. Shadu Simon, for keynote address, and we are also having the presence of our honorable MLA, Mr. C.K. Harindran also. So our students will be getting a very good knowledge from the senior scientist Shadu Simon, that will be very proud for our school also.
My name is Sandra Saji and I am studying in grade 9 from St. Joseph's Public School, Chembur. And in our exhibition, we are doing some thematic areas like robotic and artificial intelligence, physics and engineering, environmental science and sustainability programs, and biology and life sciences. These are all the programs we are doing in our exhibition. And we will do our level best in this exhibition. Thank you.
Hi everybody, this is Rashmi from St. Joseph's Public School, Chembur. I'm teacher of English, and here I have to tell you something regarding our science exhibition Explanova 2024. And we will have the highlights such as something related to science, social science, mathematics, art expo, etc. And here we will have the live performance of students regarding good touch and bad touch.
Hi, my name is Neha SS and I'm from grade 10. So I'm studying in the St. Joseph Public School, Chembur School. So today I'm here to introduce the main highlights of the exhibition. So the main highlights of the exhibition now, we have the still model, working model, experiments and demonstrations like that. So moving to the experiments, the children will show their own experiments regarding the subject chemistry, like physics, like that. And we have various kinds of demonstrations and shows and PowerPoint presentation also. The PowerPoint presentation will be based on the subject biology, and the students can interact with their projects, and they can display their own subjects and projects regarding on the subjects biology, physics, chemistry, like that. And the still model are also there, and working model will be also there. So the students which are coming from other schools can also learn from this working model, the still model, like that. And the still model and working model both will be based on subjects physics, chemistry, biology also. And the social science will be also included. In the social science, students will display their own countries and their capitals, like that. And we have the experiments also, and we have the demonstrations, and PowerPoint presentation is also displaying there. So these are the main highlights in our exhibition.
I'm Shibu of grade 10 and I'm from St. Joseph's Public School, Chembur, and I'm standing in front of you to introduce the special attractions of the exhibition conducted in our school. And the main attraction is live performance by students on good touch and bad touch. You know that in this current situation, it's a very crucial important thing, and we have to give students the awareness from the middle ages also to understand about the good touch and bad touch and the importance, and they have to understand from the small ages also. And the next one is antique collection. So the antique collection includes jewelry and pots, and many were used in the ancient times for past monuments also. And next one is art expo of paintings and drawings. Here we are providing art expo from the students of grades all ages from grade 1 to 10 to show their talents to others, and the observers can view on their paintings and their talents, and we are providing a way to increase their talents and potential in a very good way, and stamp and coin collection of more than 50 countries. From this, the students can understand the coins used in the ancient times from from 80 to all these times, and also we can understand about the stamp collection from the ancient times. So these are special attraction, and we are providing a special attraction in the entrance and also on the exit. In the entrance we are providing space exploration. From this, students can understand more about the space, and they can view more new things, and they can understand. I think this will be new era for their life and new era for their aim also. And at the exit we are providing an Amazon forest. From this they can understand the water cycle and unity, and also the variety of species found in the Amazon forest, and also we are providing thoughts and conservation of forest. So these are special attractions of exhibition. Thank